Have you ever wondered if the northern lights make any sound? Surprisingly, they do. While they're usually silent to the human ear, researchers using sensitive equipment have recorded whistling and crackling sounds accompanying the aurora. These sounds are believed to be caused by electrical charges in the atmosphere interacting with the Earth's magnetic field. Even more surprising, some people claim to hear them with their own ears, especially in remote areas. Next time you see the northern lights, listen carefully. You might just hear them. Subscribe for more videos like this.